As a cleaning company, we are pretty flexible. We do clean on weekends depending on the clients. So some clients work on weekends, so some days they do require weekend cleaning. So we do offer that service. Weekend cleaning, even on holidays, depending on what type of holidays we observe and they observe too. Some companies work 24/7, other companies just work Monday through Friday. So we try to accommodate to everybody's schedule. We have enough staff to be able to cover the cleaning during holidays, weekends. So we are always very good at having backup in case, a person can make it on that day on a weekend. We also have staff members that are willing to work on weekends, holidays, depending on the facility, the client that we're working for. It's just different because we do clean like different type of facilities, medical, schools, offices, multi-tenant buildings. It's just going based on what type of service we're providing for each location, and also the client, their expectations, what they want, their needs, so we just go based on our clients' needs pretty much.